What happens if you use rice water on your hair for 2 weeks? Rice water is not just a random internet trend. It's actually an ancient beauty practice that has been used in Asian cultures for centuries. But most people are using it the wrong way, and that's why they don't see real results. Today, I'm going to show you the biggest mistake people make and the correct method that can seriously improve your hair strength, shine, and scalp health. First, let's answer the big question. What does rice water actually do for your hair? You're not eating the rice. You're not drinking the water. So how does it help? If you look online, most tutorials tell you to soak 1 cup of rice in 2 cups of water for a few hours, strain it, and apply that water to your hair. The problem? That method is weak. It's basically just starchy water. You might see minimal results. The real benefits come from fermentation. When you ferment rice water, it turns into a probiotic-rich solution. During fermentation, natural bacteria and yeast break down the carbohydrates and create powerful byproducts that are much more beneficial for your scalp and hair. Here's what fermented rice water contains. B vitamins, essential for stronger, healthier hair. Amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Your hair is made of protein. Lactic acid gently exfoliates the scalp and helps reduce frizz. Minerals like magnesium and selenium. Fermentation byproducts similar to pitera, an ingredient used in high-end skincare for glow and smoothness. If you struggle with dull hair, frizz, weak strands, dandruff, itchy scalp, fermented rice water may help improve these issues. Now, some people worry because it's slightly acidic. But here's the important part. Your scalp and hair actually prefer a slightly acidic pH. Lactic acid can help smooth the hair cuticle, making your hair look shinier and less frizzy. There's also some evidence that fermentation byproducts may support circulation, which can help deliver nutrients and oxygen to hair follicles. Now, let's talk about the correct way to make it. Step 1. Take 2 cups of rice and add 4 cups of water. Gently rub the rice to remove dirt and excess starch. Throw away this first batch of water. Step 2. Add 2 cups of fresh water to the rinsed rice and let it sit at room temperature for 2 hours. Step 3. Strain the liquid into a glass jar. Cover it loosely with a cloth or paper towel so air can escape. Step 4. Let it ferment for 24 to 48 hours at room temperature. At 24 hours, it's usable. At 48 hours, it's stronger and more beneficial. Important. If it starts smelling very strong or unpleasant, that's a sign of over-fermentation. After 48 hours, seal it tightly and store it in the refrigerator to slow bacterial growth. How to use it? Apply it to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and wash with a mild shampoo. Use it twice a week. You can also apply it to your face using a cotton pad. Leave it for 20 minutes, then rinse. If used correctly, many people notice stronger hair, more shine, less frizz, healthier scalp. Try it consistently for 2 weeks and see how your hair responds. Let me know your results in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.